Business Attachments functionality allows admins and cardholders to store attachments in your PEX account. You can use this feature to add an invoice, purchase order, or receipt to your PEX account to manage it later. We are excited to showcase the Business Attachments enhancement. This new feature lays the foundation for some exciting improvements. Let's get started. Navigate to Review and then the Attachments tab. From here, click on the Upload button. This is your gateway to adding receipts, invoices, or purchase orders. Simply select the document you want to upload from your device. If needed, you can rename your document. To do this, click on the three dots and choose Rename. After you finish, click OK to save your changes. Let's head back to the Transactions section. Here, you'll be able to locate the recent transaction you want to attach the document to. Simply click on it to open the details and click Attach. Select your document in the Attachments section and then click Add. This will link the document you uploaded earlier to this transaction. After the screen refreshes, you can simply click Approve to approve this transaction. We hope this enhancement improves the speed and organization of attaching receipts for you and your team. Please scan the QR code for more information.